Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video, and today I'll be doing a requested video from one of my lovely subscribers. She requested charm nails, so I decided to do polygel charm nails, and this tutorial was so much fun creating it and it was so pretty. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. And by the way, thank you so much for all the love and support always. I'm always very grateful and appreciative for each and every one of you guys. Here I am just applying my peel off coat. Remember to only apply if you plan to keep your nails on for a short amount of time or you want to pop them right off. Otherwise, remember to prep and prime and add a base. Here I'm using the Astound Beauty base coat and I'm applying it to all my nails and curing it under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. Now I'll be using the Astound Beauty top coat to adhere my charms along with my glass flakes. Here I begin to apply the polygel after I've cured all my charms and flakes into place. So that's what I'm doing here, just smoothing out the polygel thoroughly throughout the nail. these are the final results of the nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that like button. Thank you so much once again for all the love and support. Till next time.